do you do if you just want to treble? The answer is simple. You sign more quality. That's what Orlando Pirates actually did when they decided to announce their 4 new signing. Tiane, Zulu, Lungu as well. So those are the guys that are coming in to actually play here in the Orlando Pirates camp. So I think I'm just happy with the signings. I think it's going to give us more challenge, or for the guys actually to actually fight for the position, to actually give us more quality in terms of like scoring goals, because I think it's one of those things that we've been lacking, to score goals consistently. And I think one of those things, we need those type of momentum going into the Champions League next season. And I think those are going to be a difficult games that we're going to play in our road to actually winning the cup, if we want to win the cup. So I think we need guys like Lungu. Is the guy that is famous for the hat-trick against Sundowns in that I think it was a 7-4 win or something, or 6-4 win, but that was like a huge score. And then he's the guy that was responsible for the hat-trick there, so I think we're going to have him in the team as well. Mtiane is coming in because I think there were rumors that maybe Makaula might leave, because there's some interest of some other teams as well in the PSL that wants Makaula. I wouldn't want to let go of Makaula though, but if he's going and Mtiane is coming in, we still have Nduli who's healthy. I think I won't have a problem with that, because I think that part of the midfield will be covered, even if one get injured, but we're left with another. So with Zulu, the defense as well, I'm not too sure with the signing, because I was thinking we still have Sesane as well. We still have Koki, which I don't think Koki maybe will play again, unless if he improves and then he shows something that we haven't seen from him, because after the injury, he wasn't the defender he was before the injury. So I think maybe I was expecting as him one of the guys that will leave. But if he's not leaving, or he's not have left yet, I think maybe signing Zulu kind of makes sense to actually trying to strengthen the team, because we have Sesane as well, who's back from injury as well, and we have Chabatane as well in that center back position. So I think unless they are suspecting that there will be more defenders that will leave, so then that's why they sign a youngster as well, that someone that can come in and play in that position. So I think this would be a good thing, because you still have Siema, who even if CBC goes, but will give Siema that kind of stability to actually to say that I've been around, like I'm able to control this defense, I know what I'm doing, and I'm actually the guy that knows how to distribute the ball from the back, moving it into the dangerous position where we can benefit by goals or creating more chances in front. So I think it's one of those things where you're looking at the signings, and I think I am more happy with the signings. I always know that Pirates will always go for like the local players, trying to get as much as possible around the league and trying to compete with Sundowns. But Sundowns will always go abroad and try to get these guys as well. So I think with the guys that actually are leaving, Mbule, Shandu, Gilberto, Mabasa, Kim Vidi, those are the guys, Lebito as well. So Lebito, like I've mentioned, that I'm not happy with him leaving, because I think he was doing more of what Van Rooyen is not giving me. Van Rooyen is a good defender, but going forward is not that guy. He's not even going forward that often, because I think for him to coming back and track the attackers as well, it's a problem. So I think Lebito was the guy that was playing closely to what Sibelebele can give you, but I think maybe the coach and the technical staff, they decided that, okay, maybe it's good for him, because I think it's also for the injury as well. So Mbule, I think we have the video in the channel. If you haven't watched that, we talk about that, him losing his last chance. We're going to see where he's going. There are a lot of people that are speculating that he should go overseas, and then some of them, they're saying there was already interest overseas. I think that will be good for him. And I think if he can get an interest in a country like where Lodge is, because look at how Lodge developed once he moved to the Arab country, because I think of lack of entertainment for him, and also in a different environment that doesn't give him the freedom he has in South Africa. So I think Mbule need that kind of environment. I think he will thrive there, where he have like concentrate on football, just playing football, forget about all the other things that are distraction on the side. So I think that will be very important for him. But yeah, I'm not really sad about him leaving, because there were lots of things that I wasn't happy about. The way he was playing, I was always complaining the whole season that I can't have a midfielder that can't run. So that was my problem. I think if you've been watching this video up until this far, it's just a wishy-washy video where I'm just talking about my emotions and my excitement of having these 4 guys and some of the guys that are leaving. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Once always.